guys, welcome to another episode of Friday Sews, where I'm just going to be, just talking to you about all things sewing this week. I'm going to show you how my dress is coming along for the project Sew a Dress Around the World. And then also I'm just going to be talking about some upcoming plans. But first, I want to thank you guys for watching my pattern review on Wednesday. I'm actually wearing the shirt. I did a pattern review on Simplicity 1113. So make sure you go ahead and check out that pattern review. So last week I showed you guys the fabrics that I got from Super Textiles, and it just kind of cracked me up because Vicki Copeland left a comment and it says, "Be careful with the last print where those circles are placed." Well, she's talking about this fabric, and I got a chuckle out of it because she's like, be careful where you place the placement of the last fabric, like if I do it in a shirt. Because could you imagine if the placement was, like this? And I thought, oh my gosh, that is so funny. And so, yeah, I was cracking up. If you can make me laugh, you have my heart. So thank you, Vicki, for making me laugh. I do appreciate and read all of your comments. So this past weekend was pretty busy. We did have a 3-day weekend. It was Labor Day weekend. Labor Day pays tribute to the contributions and achievements of the American worker. So yes, I feel like, a lot of us worked hard. So, I enjoyed the 3-day weekend. We did some destashing around the whole entire house. We did like a mini yard sale and just kind of spent time. And so it was nice, but I didn't get a lot of sewing done. But I do want to show you how the dress is coming along for the project Sew a Dress Around the World. Mari from Mari Sews, she has put so much time into coordinating everybody kind of getting excited for this project. And it really does, when I look into more details of this project, it really warms my heart. These dresses are getting hand delivered to the women who will need them the most. I mean, I don't know how to word it. I know we don't need a dress, but I hope you're getting my message across. I use the Lorne pattern, and look at how cute, you guys. I'm dying. I don't have the other pocket on yet, but I do have these labels. If you need a label, you can message me on Instagram at simplydelilah1, and I can mail you some labels. But look at how cute. I still need to attach the pocket to the other side, but look at this pocket. And then you put the label on the front of the dress. And I love this dress. And I love the pocket in it. And so it's lined with this cute little thing. This one is going to be like a size 8. I'm just not finished. I have to attach the last tier along the bottom. And I ran out of fabric, but more fabric is coming. Now, in honor of National Sewing Month, Sorority Wear on Instagram is doing a theme every single day. And so since today is the 10th, they are doing where we will just show our thread stash. So here is my thread stash. It's not very big, surprisingly, right? Well, okay, I just don't have space for a lot of stuff. So I keep them here on my pegboard, and I use, those metal things right here to put my large spools on. And then I just have all my little threads right along here. And then I also keep a lot of my little bobbins there as well. But one thing that I hate about the Coats & Clark thread is that it has that little snaggy part that always catches the thread. And if you've ever tried Aurifil thread, it's a nice thread that doesn't put a lot of lint in your sewing machine. So it's not as hard on your sewing machine as like a Coats & Clark thread would be. So believe it or not, this really is my thread stash. I just don't like to keep a lot of things on hand that I'm not gonna use right away. And maybe one of these days I will show you guys the rest of my sewing room. So the other thing that I am working on this week is this fabric that you guys all loved. I'm making it with this dress. It's Mccalls 8167. And I have to do a little bit of some repicking because when I attached the ties in the front, they're not lined up. One is lower than the other one. Don't ask me how that happened. I don't know. Also, the V is not lined up in the center. I don't know why. I mean, don't ask me those types of questions. But I do need to do some repicking on the string, and then I need to add my sleeves, and then I need to finish the bottom. So finishing the bottom, I'll just do it with my rolled hem foot. It won't take long. I just need to insert the sleeves and then I'll be done. So hopefully I will be able to show you this dress by next week. I'm really excited. It's gonna be like a tunic length. Oh, before I forget, make sure you come back on Wednesday to check out my pattern review. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. I gotta make sure I have time, but I will for sure be getting another pattern review up for you. So those are the things that I am going to work on this weekend, and make sure you check out all the other channels in the hashtag Friday Sews series. And I want to thank you, Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room, for putting together the hashtag Friday Sews. You guys, I'm going to link up here, or I'll put in the description tab below, the interview that she had with Andra Makes. So you guys will want to click on that as well. I'm going to let you go for now. I do have to do my adulting, you know. Thank you for watching. So until next time, happy sewing. Bye, guys.